In front of me is SONY Xperia XA2, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view. First of all, you need to open two apps in the background. I will go with Album and Chrome. When you finished, to access background apps, click on this square button. Now hold one of your chosen ones, in my case Chrome, and drag it all the way up. Then tap on the second one, and as you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on the home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!